GameStop extends meme rally, Dow futures higher with Fed in sight. U.S. equity futures edged higher Wednesday, extending the 50th record high close for the S&P 500 in typically thin August volumes as investors look to this week's Jackson Hole address from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Wednesday's tone is cautious, however, with the U.S. dollar index rising 0.03% against a basket of its global peers to trade at 92.921. As investors continue to fret over the economic impact of a surge in Delta variant infections on the world economy. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Fading business sentiment in Germany underscored that concern, with the closely watched IFO index falling for a second consecutive month as company bosses in the region's biggest economy worry about supply chain bottlenecks and a government warning of an autumn COVID wave. In the U.S., House lawmakers pushed forward a $3.5 trillion budget proposal last night and vowed to vote on a separate $1 trillion infrastructure bill by September 27, setting the path for a massive fiscal push over the coming years in the world's biggest economy. Benchmark 10-year Treasury bond yields edged higher on the news and were last seen at 1.297%, although a stronger than expected $60 billion two-year auction yesterday, which included the strongest foreign buyer interest since 2009, kept these gains in check ahead of Friday's much-anticipated speech from Fed Chair Powell at the virtual central bank symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. On Wall Street, future contracts tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average are indicating a modest 16-point opening bell gain, while those linked to the S&P 500 are priced for a 2.5-point bump. Nasdaq Composite futures are indicating a 20-point advance. So-called meme stocks were back on the rise as well, with GameStop GME Get report extending yesterday's 27.5% rally with a small 0.35% pre-market gain, and AMC Entertainment AMC Get report rising 3% to $45.58 each. COS Corporation COS Get report gained 2%. Nordstrom JWN Get report shares, meanwhile, slumped 8.5% to $34.60 each after the retailer said supply chain issues could hit quarter sales, clouding a stronger than expected second quarter earnings report. In overseas markets, Europe's Stoxx 600 index edged 0.1% higher in thin August holiday volumes, while London's FTSE 100 was marked 0.18% higher in mid-morning London trading. Overnight in Asia, Japan's Nikkei 225 slipped 0.03% in a muted session to close at 27,721.00 points, while a stalled rally in China tech stocks kept the region-wide MSCI Japan index in check as the benchmark rose 0.38% heading into the close of trading.